Mommy's the chef, and today we're gonna make a super easy recipe, and it's mac and cheese, and it's gonna take you the time it takes to boil water. Super easy. You're gonna love it. You're gonna give it to your kids when they're hungry for lunch or whatever. So we're gonna take one pasta of your choice. You can do corbatitas, lobo thai, rigatoni. I think I'm gonna do rigatoni because it's like a rigatoni. 1 cup of cashews, raw cashews, and some nutritional yeast. Okay, so as soon as your water starts boiling, you insert your pasta. So as soon as we get, so for your pasta not to stick, do not add oil. I saw Gordon Ramsay or whatever. He put oil in his pasta in the water. I was like, are you freaking kidding me? I mean, if you're working in a restaurant, you kind of have to because they previously cooked the pasta. But if you're doing it at home, please don't put water in the pasta, because if you put oil in the pasta, the sauce will not absorb, okay? So that's the main thing. Okay, see how it comes back to a boil? Obviously, salt your water. And the salinity of the water should be like the ocean. So right now we're coming to a boil again. Once you come to a boil, stir it again. That's all you need. That's the trick, okay? That's the trick for your pasta not to stick. I'm going to take 1 cup of cashews, the raw cashews. I'm going to add them to my blender. I'm going to take 1 cup of the pasta water. See? Add it to my blender as well. Uh-oh, got some noodles in there. I got to take them out. And start blending that. Oh, by the way, you don't want any more water than this. So just barely submerged, you know, right there. So I'm gonna start blending. So it's formed a cream. Oh, look at that bubble. So now we're gonna add 1 more cup of water. And this is just gonna be regular water. We're gonna add just half a cup of water to this, okay? And drain your pasta. So drain your pasta. Add your water to the blender. Sorry. Add just half a cup of nutritional yeast. And blend away. Sauce, you can put it in the same dish if you want and enjoy. Look at this baby. It's creamy, it's delicious, it's just amazing. I love this one. Actually, in the summer I usually like to chop some tomatoes, fry them in garlic, and I put them in here. They're delicious. Same recipe, same thing, just tomatoes and garlic. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy the recipes, and we have a feed to go. Stick around.